case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2002, a compelling case, State v. Hurst, was brought before the Louisiana Court of Appeal. Centered on a murder committed outside the New Orleans Superdome, the case put Duvander Hurst in the spotlight as the main suspect, following his conviction of second-degree murder. Hurst's conviction came about after a meticulously gleaned evidence trail, pieced together from the crime scene and the following investigation. The murder victim, Allen Delatte, was gunned down under the glare of the Superdome's illuminations. The night of the crime saw witnesses recount a red 1993 Oldsmobile with distinguishing primer paint on the right door fleeing the scene, a vehicle that was later found registered to Hurst, and one Louis J. Silva, Jr. Subsequent searches of Hurst's house and car unearthed more damning evidence. Investigators found an auto repair receipt tying Hurst's car to the scene and an intriguing photograph of the defendant clutching a large amount of cash. Furthermore, William Varnedo, a witness, positively identified Hurst as the perpetrator and confirmed his presence at the Superdome on the tragic night. Despite these odds, Hurst maintained his innocence and even made attempts to contact witnesses post-arrest in a bid to clear his name. Nevertheless, the lower court's ruling was not in Hurst's favor, and he was convicted of second-degree murder. In a bid to overturn his fate, Hurst appealed this ruling, challenging testimonies and introducing a host of claims such as hearsay and allegations of withholding evidence by the state. However, the appeal court was not swayed by these arguments. The court upheld the lower court's decision, ruling against Hurst's claims and affirming his guilt in Delatte's murder. The court meticulously reviewed the evidence and trial proceedings, dismissing Hurst's claims as unfounded and affirming the legality and validity of the prosecution's actions. Thus, Hurst's conviction for second-degree murder was sustained, securing his life sentence based on compelling witness testimonies and irrefutable physical evidence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.